Hi, this is Adrian Williams. This is week 3. We'll be doing the staining technique and the bacterial and morphology. I think I said it right. Anyway, so we're going to be doing the second part of the lab experiment. So I've already labeled these slides, and I have already gotten the E. coli and the Salve and the epidermis. So I got those. So the first step, it says, is to, I'm going to put it in the circle. So I'm going to take the ecubulation loop. So the loop, I'm getting excess alcohol out, and I will be doing the E. coli first. So it says I need to sterilize it, so I'm going to get the lip and I will be sterilizing it. Okay, and I will make sure I don't touch the lip. Okay, and I will then take it and go in circles. And I'll press that, and I'll take it again and sterilize it before I close it. Okay, I'll be doing the same thing with the epidermis. Once again, I'm going to get the lip of it and I will sterilize that. And I will carefully put it inside and get this and do the exact same thing on this slide. And go in a circle. And place this here, and I will sterilize. Now I get the S. Seraphe, and I will sterilize it. And I will get this. And get the broth, and I will go and I will sterilize that. The instruction says to let it dry, so I will let that dry and I'll be right back. Okay, so they have dried the slides, and so it tells me to do it for 5 seconds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what I'm doing is to fix the stain. And we're going to let that cool. The next one, that was E. coli. This one would be the dermis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of want to make sure I get the fix. And we're going to let that cool. Cerafay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we're going to let these cool. As we let them cool, it is saying that the first thing, we're going to stain it with the crystal violet. That's the first stain. And we're going to put, it says 2, 3 drops. Okay. Let it cool a little more. So I'm going to go ahead and blow out the candle. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And so it says to let it dry for 60 seconds, or let it sit for 60 seconds. Okay, so I have rinsed out, and it says to blot. So I will be blotting out it dry. The next thing, it says to do the iodine. So that's going to be same thing, same amount. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And it says about 30 seconds. So it's not as long. Okay, so now I have rinsed off the iodine. The next step, it says to do the discoloration or discolorer. So I will do that. 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'm looking to see which one might have took a little stain. Look like the S survey. And if I move it a little bit, or E. coli kind of have stained. And that's for 30 seconds. Okay, so I have rinsed the discolorer out and I'm blotting it as instructed. So the last one, it says to put the Frenin. So same thing for 30 seconds. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we're going to let that stay on here for 30 seconds. Okay, so I just rinsed out the saffron, and I'm trying to see if it really doesn't look like too many. It didn't stain, but I will be taking pictures and putting it under the microscope, and I will put it on my report. Thank you.